flying in a circle still?
No, it's rolled up into the vent there.
Ooh, it's because we have a hole. It went into the vent?
Yeah, it's in the vent right there.
Okay, so this is how Dustin and I go through the Bible every year, but this year I'm not sure. I think this is going to be my last year doing it like this. So I use this app, which is called Read Scripture, and every day it has like what you're supposed to read. But at each beginning of each book, it has this really cool like video. So when you start a new video, you can watch a video about
the books of 1st and 2nd Samuel. They're two separate books in our modern Bibles, but that division is due simply to scroll length. It was originally written as one coherent story.
So it's really cool because it helps walk you through each book before you read it, or sometimes I like to watch it after I read it. But it gives you the date that you're supposed to be on. I'm 4 days behind, so I've been trying to catch up, but at the same time, I don't want to like read way too much because I do like to pause and reflect. And today, like King Solomon's blessing totally stuck out to me, so I just highlighted it and then I journaled it because it's something that I want to keep fresh. So I'm writing that down in the grid section of the bullet journal. I'm starting to use the grid section a little more, so I did sermon notes this week on the grid. Not sure how I like it, but I'm trying to get a little bit more creative with it this week. I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but I'm trying to use the grid section just a little bit more because I actually am running out of dot section. One of the reasons why I want to do the 6-month planner, because I fill up my journal fast. So yeah, I decided to do that. I'll probably decorate it. I'll show that to you guys another time if I do. But it would just be something that I like to reflect on, and then hopefully as I look through my journals later, I can remember, oh yeah, I totally remember that when I wrote that down. That was really cool. Obviously, I'm in a better mood. I think Thursdays are like my energized day and the day that I got all my stress out for the week and kind of feel like I got everything wrapped up and now it's time for the weekend, I guess. I don't know. So we're going to go with it because it's Thursday and I feel better today. Dustin is like on a mission to clean everything today. He's like, it stinks. It smells like a dog in our house. What else do we have to do today? So I just did my Zoom meeting with the members. That was pretty fun. It was our second time doing that. So every Thursday at 10 o'clock, I Zoom with my business members. So we went over like a bunch of topics that they would want me to cover in next Zoom meetings or something like that. I will feed you lunch. I'm vlogging, okay? Just give me a second. For Pete's sakes, for crying out loud, okay? Are you hungry? Do you want a bath? I totally thought I want to do, since the boudoir thing with the upstairs, I now want to do the entire upstairs bathroom Pixar, but I'm going to let the kids just go crazy and do whatever they want in there. I mean, to a degree, they're pretty creative, so I think that they can handle it, but I'm just going to let them, like, Pixar up their bathroom, and we'll vlog it for you guys because I think that'll be super fun. So if you're having a bad day like I was a couple days ago, just remember this too shall pass. Okay, so Dustin is in a mood. He like stripped our whole couch. He's got like all the couch cushions off. Not the cushions, but the pillows. I guess he's washing these. He's got all the pillows piled up. He took our rug. I don't even know where the rug is. And I'm guessing he's going to clean everything. He just gets in these moods where if something bothers him, he will fix it. And I think I just came in here to find this one. What are you cooking?
I am cooking garlic bread with some spaghetti and some cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe? In the spaghetti?
No.
Oh. Didn't Dad cut this up?
Yep.
Yeah, Dustin's been cutting up fruit every morning.
I was gonna make grilled veggies, but...
Grilled veggies? What is this, a 5-star restaurant?
Yeah.
It's only lunch.
I know.
You like cooking, huh?
I'm making dinner tonight, too.
Oh, you are? Should I hire you as my personal chef?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you cook keto food?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's alright. I'm not really doing keto while we're on quarantine because bread is life. This looks pretty gnarly. What do you put on there?
It's really easy. You put it range on there, spread it around, sprinkle some
Ranch?
yeah,
Oh, okay.
and then sprinkle some Parmesan, and then garlic.
So it's ranch, Parmesan, and garlic on bread?
Yep.
And then you pop it in the oven?
Yep.
At how many degrees?
High.
High degrees?
For like 1 minute.
High degrees for 1 minute, guys. Found Briley's beanie, and I was kind of cold, so I started wearing it, and it's from the Children's Place. I was like, I'm gonna buy my beanies from the Children's Place from now on. Anyways, Dustin came and ransacked my office and stole my rug. You washed all the rugs.
Well, the rug doctor washed the rugs. I just folded the machine.
That's
all I did.
Got it. And now we're drying them on top of our cars. That's DIY fabulous. He's like, I'm cleaning all the rugs, so I don't have a rug in here. And it was messy, and now it's kind of messier. I don't know. Just feels empty. Each one of us are taking a part of Easter, and we're in charge of it. So I'm in charge of the story, the Easter story, and teaching the Easter story and sharing the Easter story. This year, I was really excited to do something like this and invite everybody to our house. And this would have been the first Easter that we were going to be, not obviously, in this house and healthy. Because last year we were in the hospital with my mom. So this year we were going to do Easter, and I was so excited because I was like, it's been forever since I've done like a big Easter celebration, and we've had a big space to be able to host everybody, and now we have that, and we can't because we're quarantined. Landis is in charge of the cake. Apparently we're having an Easter cake. Briley's in charge of the food. You saw her cook today, so she's obviously ready to handle that. She's making gourmet pancakes or something. And then Dustin is in charge of the egg hunt. So he better step up his game, because if I was doing the egg hunt, it would be legit. But so obviously I feel better today, so that is so good. You ready to see her other side of her door? Is so cute. She did the up door. Oh, it's so cute. Let's go see Landis's door. See what her door looks like. Okay. Got some psychedelic Queen of Hearts stuff going on. This is super cute. So fun. Not this way. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So I just mustered up like the desire to fold my clothes. So I went upstairs because our bathroom's under construction. We sleep down in the guest room right now. And all of our clothes is upstairs, and our bedroom is cold because the bathroom's under construction. And I finally got up there for the first time in all of quarantine. And I was going to like put on a TV show and fold all the clothes that has been just piled on the bed. And then a bat starts flying around my head. It's a bat?
Yeah.
I want to see it.
Put
The problem with bats, guys.
a garbage bag. Put a garbage bag.
Look at a garbage bag.
Is it flying in a circle still?
No, it's crawled up into the vent there.
Ooh,
It's
it's
shut.
because we have it went into the vent?
Yeah, it's in the vent right there.
Oh my gosh.
We have so many holes
Go
in
get
our
the
house right
flashlight
now.
Downstairs.
Where?
It's under the Keurig machine.
We have a problem with bats. The family's
I thought it was like a huge bee at first, and then I was like, it's a bird. And then I was like, maybe it's a bat.
Dad! We're gonna get rabies or coronavirus.
Is he scared? Do you need to take the vent off? Don't hurt it. Oh my gosh. It was literally like flying in a perfect circle above my head.
It's gonna bite you.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's so cute.
It might, but I hope not.
But, I mean, I can take the vent down.
Don't you love being the dad? You have to come up with all the answers.
We're just gonna sit here and scream. Can I have a bat?
No.
No.
You could have a sugar squirrel. Have you ever seen those?
They're really cute.
Yeah.
Can have
I
a
think,
sugar squirrel?
I don't know. I think they're illegal.
I think you gave it a heart attack and it died.
No.
Also why?
Bats are used to scary things. They live in haunted houses.
Was the bat in brown now?
Good job.
He's kind of cute.
All bats are cute.
They're cute.
Oh my gosh. It's just not cute when it's flying around your
In
head.
your bedroom. He's gonna stay in there. Here, Brian.
You think
take
so?
The gun and that screw.
He told you this?
Yep.
Have we had any time to study bat behavior?
Don't scream, Landis.
He tried to come. What is
It's
up
gonna
with the back
fly.
of the bags in our house?
It's gonna fly. It's gonna fly.
Oh, it's gonna fly.
I'm gonna freak out.
Landis, shush.
I'm just
You freak out about everything. What else is new?
gonna freak out. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's in there.
Yeah, it's in there.
Just put the whole. Oh my gosh, Dad.
It's just a little baby, but he flies like crazy.
Dad, don't.
Okay. Perfect. Good job.
Sweating and
You know bats like the back of your hand. This is the second time you've had to...
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, so adorable. He looks like
He looks like a little hamster.
he's gonna fly away from us because he's waiting.
He looks like a little hamster.
Dad, don't get on him.
I was trying to get him out.
He'll get out when he wants to. Look at his little nose. He's sticking his nose out. I bet he doesn't even know how to get out. He just knows how to get in. He's poor thing. He's so scared. So that's not gonna happen. I'm not going back up there right now. So looks like I'll probably fold the clothes next month. All right, see you guys tomorrow.